Hello everyone. So it's come to the time when I had to replace the battery for my first generation Amazon Kindle. So it kind of works for some time with expanded battery, with a battery cover. The ones on turn on Wi-Fi, it draws more energy than it can provide. So I got a replacement battery from AliExpress, which wasn't very cheap. It was quite around 20 euros, I think. And I saw a few videos how guys trying to attempt to actually replacing the battery. So I didn't see anyone heating the adhesive to make it easier to open. So using this simple iFixit eye opener, which is basically just you put it in a microwave for 30 seconds and then it transfers heat where you need it. So I thought I will try applying this and see how easy it will go. And yeah, idea is that I will not be editing this video. I will just going through all the mistakes and hurdles I will experience while attempting replacement of a battery of this device for the first time. So let's see how it goes. In theory, it should be warm enough for the adhesive to be softer. And let's see, let's try getting in. It seems I'm damaging outside part of um, the sides of the Kindle itself, not getting in. It makes me think that those videos which I watched, they previously have already got the most difficult part because it seemed like magic. They were putting things like this pick under and ripping it out easily, and one cannot even get in. Uh, let's see if I have something more powerful for this case. I'll just go around from my toolbox to see what I would actually use for this purpose. Okay, maybe I could even attempt trying to get knife in, but let's use fixed cars if they're thinner, and maybe I can uh, get inside using this. Nope, that definitely not thinner. What about this? If if we can go under the adhesive, nope. What else do we have? Just more heat. Maybe I will put some weaker spot, some side to get in. Basically, I have nothing to lose because no one can actually help me with battery replacement. Actually, I should be careful with the screen, pushing it down. Let's put a cloth underneath. I could think about that earlier, but which will okay. I'm still cannot get in, so maybe I will try something more aggressive. It seems, yeah, that I would it would take ages to get in the with tools I tried. Oh, I'm actually cutting inside of the Kindle itself, but it might be my way in the quick. Okay, that kind of worked. A little bit of damage, but I'm getting in. Oh, it's actually not an adhesive. It's clips. That's unexpected. I didn't notice that in other videos. Okay, we have some adhesive, but clips on the side. Okay, let's try not breaking it on the other side. And not getting too much deep in there to avoid cutting any sensitive bits of the device. Try and get not too deep. Let's have a look if we can see it's just adhesive. Okay, let's try maybe heating it up at this point because it seems just an adhesive under there. Holding over plus side. Okay, so just a little bit of visible damage for now. Let's see if we can avoid while it's heating up. Let's see the battery replacement. It seems exactly what I needed from the video. And as much as I looked on AliExpress, there will be always new sellers selling it with like 20 or so past uh, being sold. So it seems a bit dodgy that sellers disappearing, but we'll see what's the result will be. It's now going much easier, so heating up an adhesive really helped. Yeah, that opener helps a lot. Okay, so seems that we. Oh, that's a thing. I didn't think through that I'll need adhesive replacement, but maybe for my purpose, I will be able to reuse this one. Okay, let's carefully remove this adhesive. I still don't want to damage the original battery. The tape. Okay, maybe we'll be able to reuse this tape as well. Oh, and now battery is also, I presume, will be adhered. Okay, let's see. Visually seems very similar. Uh, actually, it seems identical. Maybe that's why sellers are disappearing on AliExpress because they're selling something that they cannot sell for a long time. Yeah, I'm kind of mumbling, but whatever, if you're watching this, so you're likely interested in those details as well. Okay, so it seems as good as the original replacement, or actually it might be original part. I see some manufactured in 2015 and says Amazon, which I guess means Amazon 297 revision uh, version 03. So we'll check this one as well. That's curious. Okay, it should be hot enough. Let's try to unstick it without damage whatever there could be. I try not to bend the battery too much because if it's bent or punctured, it would be unpleasant smell minimum and some smoke at worst case. which would be very good not to breathe in. Okay, so I'm kind of getting in bit by bit. I don't want to pull it from the side to avoid bending it too much. So trying to cut adhesive with a very soft plastic, whatever they call this thing. Okay, we got in. And let's see the revision. Also 2015, revision 03. But I have to say that text is much better quality on this one. So it could be still very good copy of the original, but not genuine. Okay, so now, as I remember, it's better to connect it first, so I will align it without too much of a pressure onto the cable. Because if you put it in, and then cable must be at an angle which is has additional strength. Okay, and let's try to reuse this one. It's not as thick as it was, but should do. Okay, oh, Kindle is becoming alive. Okay, I have some broken plastic. I hope it's not something that I will regret after. Okay, so let's maybe. Okay, it. Oh, I actually touched something, but no. Yeah, let's see. It, I'm wondering if currently it does not react to my actions, so. But it doesn't seem like I damaged anything. Hmm, okay, so only thing I can do is put it back together anyway. I don't see any visible damage or I could actually damage anything, so maybe it actually identifies that it's not closed because there's some, I don't know, maybe okay, let's align it as good as I can. And yeah, and clips. Oh, actually, we go our side. You put it in, and then you stick our side. So yeah, if I would go from this side first, trying to get through adhesive, and only then this side, I would have much less damage. Oh, it came up. Let's have a look. I don't want you to know my password. Whoa, it works. Let me just go into the settings to avoid some copyright issues because of books I like to read. It's okay. So it works. It works. Amazing. Let's connect the external battery. Yep, it should be low. Brilliant. It's working. So I will keep you updated in the comments how it holds on. Yep. If I would start from other direction and make some scratch over there, it would not be visible. So that's a lesson learned. Not from this side, go from different side. And if you even damage it visually, it will not be visible with the case. So that's it. Let's see how it goes.